Hello everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Flow. I'm happy you're here today. In today's lesson, we are going to learn English through a real-life story and everyday conversations. Today's topic is my first day at the gym. Many people go to the gym to stay healthy, become stronger, and feel more energetic. If it is your first time at the gym, you may feel excited and a little nervous. Today, you will learn how to talk about fitness, exercise, gym equipment, and healthy habits using simple and natural English. This lesson is perfect for beginners. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Practice speaking slowly. Let's begin. Gym vocabulary. Before we begin our story, let's learn some useful words. Gym. Repeat. Gym. Exercise. Repeat. Exercise. Trainer. Repeat. Trainer. Weights. Repeat. Weights. Treadmill. Repeat. Treadmill. Water bottle. Repeat. Water bottle. Stretch. Repeat. Stretch. Healthy. Repeat. Healthy. Strong. Repeat. Strong. Workout. Repeat. Workout. Excellent. Now let's use these words in simple sentences. I go to the gym. Repeat. I go to the gym. Exercise is good for my health. Repeat. Exercise is good for my health. I always bring a water bottle. Repeat. I always bring a water bottle. Very good. Arriving at the gym. Sophia. Good morning. I'm new here. Receptionist. Welcome. Is this your first visit? Sophia. Yes, it is. Receptionist. We're happy to have you here. Please fill out this form. Sophia. Thank you. Excellent. Practice time. Repeat after me. Today is my first day at the gym. Pause. Today is my first day at the gym. I want to become healthier. Pause. I want to become healthier. I'm ready to exercise. Pause. I'm ready to exercise. I feel excited. Pause. I feel excited. Very good. Meeting the trainer. Trainer. Hello. My name is Alex. I'll help you today. Sophia. Nice to meet you. I'm a little nervous. Trainer. Don't worry. We'll start with easy exercises. Sophia. Thank you. That makes me feel better. Wonderful. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Emma decided to join a gym because she wanted to become healthier. On her first day, she wore comfortable sports clothes and running shoes. She carried a small towel and a water bottle. A friendly trainer welcomed her and showed her around the gym. Emma learned how to use the treadmill safely. She also practiced simple stretching exercises before her workout. Although she felt a little tired, she was happy because she had taken the first step toward a healthier lifestyle. Now answer these questions. Why did Emma join the gym? She wanted to become healthier. What did she wear? She wore sports clothes and running shoes. What did she carry? She carried a towel and a water bottle. Who helped Emma? A friendly trainer helped her. How did Emma feel at the end of her workout? She felt happy and proud. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. I enjoy exercising. I want to stay healthy. This is my first workout. Can you help me? Thank you for your advice. Very good. English learning tip. When talking about your goals, use I want to. For example, I want to become stronger. I want to stay healthy. I want to exercise every day. These simple sentences are useful in everyday English. Practice them every day. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. Exercise is good for my body. I enjoy learning new things. Healthy habits are important. I am becoming stronger every day. Learning English is fun. Fantastic work. Today, you learned useful gym vocabulary, practiced simple conversations, and talked about your first day at the gym in English. In Part 2, we will learn how to use different gym equipment, ask the trainer questions, meet new people at the gym, and practice more real-life English conversations. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in Part 2. I'm happy you're here again. In Part 1, we learned useful gym vocabulary, practiced simple conversations, and talked about arriving at the gym for the first time. Today, we will continue learning English through real-life conversations. You will learn how to use gym equipment, ask the trainer questions, meet new people, and build confidence during your workout. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Practice speaking slowly. Let's begin. Using gym equipment. The trainer shows Sophia around the gym. Trainer. This is the treadmill. You can walk or run on it. Sophia. It looks easy to use. Trainer. Yes. We will start slowly. Excellent. Now let's continue. Trainer. These are dumbbells. We use them to make our muscles stronger. Sophia. Should I use heavy weights? Trainer. No. Start with light weights first. Very good. Asking the trainer questions. Sophia. How long should I exercise today? Trainer. About 30 minutes is enough for your first day. Sophia. How often should I come to the gym? Trainer. 3 or 4 times a week is a good start. Sophia. Thank you for your advice. Trainer. You're welcome. Excellent. Meeting a new friend. Sophia. Hello. My name is Sophia. I'm new here. Emma. Hi, Sophia. I'm Emma. Nice to meet you. Sophia. Nice to meet you too. Do you come here every week? Emma. Yes. I usually come 4 times a week. Sophia. That's great. Maybe we can exercise together sometime. Emma. I'd like that. Wonderful. Practice time. Repeat after me. How do I use this machine? Pause. How do I use this machine? Can you show me, please? Pause. Can you show me, please? I need a short break. Pause. I need a short break. Don't forget to drink water. Pause. Don't forget to drink water. Very good. After the workout. Trainer. How do you feel? Sophia. I'm a little tired, but I feel good. Trainer. That's normal. Remember to stretch after every workout. Sophia. I will. Thank you for helping me. Trainer. You're doing a great job. Excellent. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Ryan joined the gym with his older brother. At first, he did not know how to use the exercise machines. A friendly trainer explained everything step by step. Ryan started with a short walk on the treadmill. Then he used light dumbbells and practiced simple stretching exercises. During his break, he talked with another beginner named David. They shared their fitness goals and encouraged each other to keep practicing. By the end of the workout, Ryan felt tired but proud because he had learned many new exercises. Now answer these questions. Who joined the gym with Ryan? His older brother. Who explained the machines? A friendly trainer. What exercise did Ryan do first? He walked on the treadmill. Who did Ryan meet during his break? He met David. How did Ryan feel after his workout? He felt tired but proud. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. I feel stronger today. Can you help me with this exercise? Let's work out together. I need to drink more water. Exercise gives me more energy. Very good. English learning tip. When asking for help, be polite. For example, can you help me? Could you show me how to use this machine? Is this exercise correct? These simple questions help you communicate confidently at the gym. Practice them every day. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. I enjoy going to the gym. Exercise makes me healthier. I am learning something new. Every workout helps me improve. Practice makes me stronger. Fantastic work. Today, you learned how to use gym equipment, ask the trainer questions, meet new people, and complete your first workout in English. In Part 3, we will practice longer gym conversations, learn about healthy eating, set fitness goals, and improve your English through more real-life situations. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in Part 3. I'm happy you're here again. In Part 2, we learned how to use gym equipment, ask the trainer questions, and meet new people at the gym. Today, we will continue with longer conversations. You will learn how to talk about fitness goals, healthy eating, daily exercise habits, and staying motivated. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Let's begin. Talking about fitness goals. People go to the gym for different reasons. Listen to this conversation. Trainer. What is your fitness goal? Sophia. I want to become healthier and stronger. Trainer. That's a great goal. Remember to exercise regularly. Sophia. I will. Thank you. Excellent. Now repeat. I want to become stronger. Pause. I want to become stronger. I exercise 3 times a week. Pause. I exercise 3 times a week. My goal is to stay healthy. Pause. My goal is to stay healthy. Very good. Talking about healthy food. Emma. Do you eat healthy food after your workout? Sophia. Yes. I usually eat fruit, eggs, and vegetables. Emma. Do you drink enough water? Sophia. Yes. I always carry a water bottle. Emma. That's a healthy habit. Wonderful. Encouraging a friend. Ryan. I'm feeling tired today. David. That's okay. Everyone starts somewhere. Ryan. I don't want to give up. David. Keep going. You are doing a great job. Ryan. Thank you. Your words encourage me. Excellent. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Last Tuesday, Olivia went to the gym after school. She completed a short workout with her trainer. After exercising, the trainer talked to her about healthy habits. He told her to drink plenty of water, eat healthy meals, and get enough sleep every night. Olivia listened carefully. When she arrived home, she ate grilled chicken, rice, and vegetables for dinner. Later, she prepared her gym clothes for the next day. She felt proud because she was taking good care of her health. She knew that small daily habits could help her reach her fitness goals. Now answer these questions. When did Olivia go to the gym? She went after school on Tuesday. Who talked to her about healthy habits? Her trainer. What advice did the trainer give? Drink water, eat healthy food, and get enough sleep. What did Olivia eat for dinner? She ate grilled chicken, rice, and vegetables. Why did Olivia feel proud? Because she was taking good care of her health. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. My goal is to stay healthy. I enjoy exercising every week. Healthy food gives me energy. I never give up. Small steps bring big results. Very good. English learning tip. When talking about your goals, you can say, my goal is to. For example, my goal is to lose weight. My goal is to become stronger. My goal is to stay healthy. My goal is to exercise every week. These simple sentences help you speak naturally about your plans and dreams. Practice them every day. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. I believe in myself. I am getting stronger every day. Healthy habits help me succeed. I enjoy learning English and exercising. Practice every day makes a big difference. Fantastic work. Today you practiced talking about fitness goals, healthy eating, motivation, and daily exercise habits in English. In Part 4, we will review everything with one complete story about a student's first week at the gym, practice more listening, and finish with a speaking challenge to help you talk confidently about fitness and healthy living in English. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in Part 4. Congratulations! You have reached the final part of today's English listening practice. Today, you learned useful gym vocabulary, practiced real-life conversations, and improved your English by talking about fitness, exercise, and healthy habits. Now, let's review everything with one complete story. Listen carefully. Try to understand every sentence. Then repeat the important expressions with me. Let's begin. My first week at the gym. Hello. My name is Sophia. Today, I would like to tell you about my first week at the gym. On Monday morning, I woke up early and felt both excited and nervous. I packed my water bottle, a small towel, and a pair of sports shoes. Then I walked to the gym near my house. When I arrived, the receptionist welcomed me with a warm smile. She showed me around the gym and introduced me to my trainer. His name was Alex. He was friendly, patient, and encouraging. First, Alex showed me how to warm up. We stretched our arms, legs, shoulders, and back. He explained that warming up helps prevent injuries and prepares the body for exercise. After that, we walked on the treadmill for 10 minutes. I started slowly and then walked a little faster. Next, Alex showed me how to use light dumbbells. He reminded me to keep my back straight and move carefully. Although my arms felt a little tired, I enjoyed learning something new. Later, we practiced simple bodyweight exercises like squats and lunges. Alex counted each repetition and encouraged me to keep going. When I felt tired, he told me to rest for a minute and drink some water. His advice helped me feel comfortable and confident. After the workout, we spent a few minutes stretching again. Then Alex talked to me about healthy habits. He said, "Exercise is important, but eating healthy food, drinking enough water, and getting enough sleep are just as important." I listened carefully because I wanted to build good habits from the beginning. Before I left the gym, I met another beginner named Emma. We talked for a few minutes and shared our fitness goals. She wanted to become stronger, and I wanted to improve my health and have more energy. We decided to encourage each other and meet at the gym every Tuesday and Thursday. By the end of the week, I noticed a small change. I felt more energetic in the morning. I slept better at night. I also felt happier because I was taking better care of my body. My first week at the gym taught me that success does not come from one perfect workout. It comes from practicing regularly, staying patient, and never giving up. Now I look forward to every visit because each workout helps me become a little stronger than the day before. Listening questions. Now answer these questions. What did Sophia pack before going to the gym? She packed a water bottle, a towel, and sports shoes. What did Alex teach her first? He taught her how to warm up. Which exercises did Sophia practice? She practiced walking on the treadmill, using light dumbbells, squats, and lunges. Who did Sophia meet at the gym? She met another beginner named Emma. What did Sophia learn during her first week? She learned that regular practice, healthy habits, and patience help people achieve their fitness goals. Excellent work. Everyday English practice. Now repeat these useful sentences. I enjoy going to the gym. Exercise helps me stay healthy. I always drink enough water. My trainer helps me improve. Practice makes me stronger. Fantastic. Speaking practice. Now it's your turn. Answer these questions in English. Have you ever been to a gym? What is your favorite exercise? How often do you exercise? Why is exercise important? What is your fitness goal? Take your time. Speak slowly. Use complete sentences. The more you practice speaking, the more confident your English will become. English learning tip. Healthy habits and language learning are very similar. If you practice a little every day, you will improve over time. Exercise regularly. Eat healthy food. Sleep well. Practice English every day. Small daily habits create big results. Final review. Today you learned how to talk about your first day at the gym. Describe gym equipment. Ask a trainer for help. Talk about fitness goals. Discuss healthy eating and exercise. Use everyday English in real-life gym conversations. Excellent work. You are improving your English step by step. Thank you so much for learning with Daily English Flow. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I'll see you in our next English listening practice. Until then, keep practicing, keep learning, stay healthy, and enjoy speaking English every day. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.